In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to disable YouTube mixes. Let's get started. First, launch your YouTube. As you browse your home feed, subscriptions, or recommendations, you may notice playlists labeled Mix or YouTube Mix. These are automatically generated playlists based on your watch history and interest. If you'd like to remove a specific mix, simply open the Mix playlist. Once the playlist opens, tap or click the three-dot menu next to the playlist or video. If available, select Not Interested or Don't Recommend channel to help YouTube understand that you don't want to see similar recommendations. On some versions of YouTube, you may also see an X or hide option on the recommendation card. Tapping it will remove that mix from your current feed. After hiding the mix, refresh or reload YouTube to update your recommendations. It's important to know that YouTube currently does not provide an official setting that completely disables all mixed playlists across the platform. However, regularly marking mixes as not interested and managing your watch history can reduce how often they appear in your recommendations. So that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.